Hello my dear friends, once again welcome to my YouTube channel Spark. I hope you all are preparing well for your exam. Today I am going to discuss you with some of the important questions and solutions which have been asked in previous year UGC-NET examination. And this video will cover the complete questions on social casework, and I have included the questions from the year 2012 onwards. I hope this session will be very helpful for your preparation. Now we can discuss each question and its answers in detail. First question is, who proposed client-centered therapy? Option A, Carl Rogers. Option B, Anna Freud. Option C, Paul Goodman. And option D, Adler. The question is, who proposed client-centered therapy? Answer is option A, Carl Rogers. Next question is, what is catharsis? Options are the reduction of tension by telling one's problem to someone else. Option B, the reduction of tension by talking one's problem to everyone. Option C, not making any attempt to tell problems to anyone else. Option D, reduction of tension by telling one's problem to professionals only. The answer is option D, the reduction of tension by telling one's problem to professionals only, that is catharsis. And these two questions were asked in the UGC-NET exam December 2012 paper 2. Next question, which of the following is not a principle of casework? Options are option A, specific objectives. Option B, confidentiality. Option C, individualization. And option D, evaluation. The question is, which of the following is not a principle of casework? The answer is option A, specific objectives. All other options are principles of social casework. This question was asked in paper 2 of December 2012. Next question, which one of the following is not a part of social casework process? Option A, treatment. Option B, assessment. Option C, study. And option D, content analysis. The question is, which one of the following is not a part of social casework process? The answer is option D, content analysis. This question was asked in paper 2 of June 2012. Next question. Diagnostic School of Social Casework was developed by option A, Rose, option B, Young, option C, Rank, and option D, Mead. The question is, Diagnostic School of Social Casework was developed by option D, Mead. So the answer is option D, Mead. Next question, the book Social Diagnosis was written by option A, Mary Richmond, option B, Joseph Luft, option C, Perlman, and option D, Rose. The question is, the book Social Diagnosis was written by option A, Mary Richmond. The answer is option A, Mary Richmond. These two questions were included in paper 2 of June 2012. Next question. The problem-solving approach emerged from the work of option A, Florence Hollis, option B, Mary Richmond, option C, H. Perlman, and option D, B. Swift. The question is, the problem-solving approach emerged from the work of option C, H. Perlman. Next question. Dash is or are the process of catharsis? Options are option A, helping to reduce eating, option B, ventilation of feelings, option C, supporting for better sleep, and option D, all of the above. The question is, dash is or are the process of catharsis? Answer is option B, ventilation of feelings. So, ventilation of feelings is the process of catharsis. These two questions were included in the paper 2 of December 2013. Next question. Which among the following is in the correct sequence? Option A, study, intake, treatment, diagnosis, termination and follow-up. Option B, intake, study, diagnosis, treatment, termination and follow-up. Option C, diagnosis, intake, treatment, study, termination and follow-up. Option D, treatment, intake, diagnosis, study, termination and follow-up. The question is, which among the following is in the correct sequence? The answer is option B, intake, study, diagnosis, treatment, termination and follow-up are the correct sequence of social casework process. This question was asked in the paper 2 of December 2013. Next question. Which among the following is not a component of client-caseworker relationship? Option A, autonomy. Option B, confidentiality. Option C, empathy. And option D, sympathy. The question is, which among the following is not a component of client-caseworker relationship? The answer is option D, sympathy. Next question. Which one of these are techniques of social casework? Option A, universalization. Option B, encouraging. Option C, both A and B. And option D, none of A and B. The question is, which one of these are techniques of social casework? The answer is option C, both A and B are the techniques of social casework. That is, universalization and encouraging. Both of these are the technique of social casework. These two questions were asked in the paper 3 of December 2013. Next question. Which one is not the assumption of social casework? Option A, every human being is to be respected. Option B, every human being can change. Option C, every human being has some work. And option D, every human being is an artist. The question is, which one is not the assumption of social casework? The answer is option D, every human being is an artist. This question was asked in paper 2 of December 2014. Next question. The method that brings about adjustment in personal and social relationship is called option A, social casework. Option B, social adjustment. Option C, social group work. And option D, defense mechanism. The question is, the method that brings about adjustment in personal and social relationship is called option A, social casework. Next question. The client-centered approach is developed by option A, Kurt Lewin. Option B, Bandura. Option C, Homans. And option D, Carl Rogers. The question is, the client-centered approach is developed by option D, Carl Rogers. These two questions were asked in paper 2 of June 2014. Next question. Evaluation of client's present problem, the way he is experiencing is option A, etiological diagnosis. Option B, clinical diagnosis. Option C, dynamic diagnosis. And option D, social diagnosis. The answer is option C, dynamic diagnosis. The evaluation of client's present problem, the way he is experiencing is dynamic diagnosis. Next question. Which is the correct sequence in social casework process? Option A, intake, investigation, diagnosis, treatment. Option B, intake, diagnosis, investigation, treatment. Option C, intake, diagnosis, treatment, investigation. And option D, intake, investigation, treatment and diagnosis. The answer is option A, intake, investigation, diagnosis and treatment. It is a correct sequence in social casework process. These two questions were asked in paper 2 of June 2014. Next question, interactional, that is here and now aspects of client-therapist relationship in casework was emphasized by option A, Sigmund Freud, option B, Otto Rank, option C, Florence Hollis, and option D, Edwin J. Thomas. The question is, interactional aspects of client-therapist relationship in casework was emphasized by option B, Otto Rank. Next question, purging of emotions is called as option A, mutual aid, option B, catharsis, option C, group cohesion, and option D, mastery. The answer is option B, catharsis. The purging of emotions is called catharsis. These two questions were asked in paper 3 of June 2014. Next question, social casework is primarily used by professional social workers to help individuals and families to deal with option A, interpersonal problems, option B, intergroup conflicts, option C, family condition, and option D, intercommunity problems. The question is, social casework is primarily used by professional social workers to help individuals and families to deal with option A, interpersonal problems. This question was asked in paper 3 of June 2014. Next question, the person in situation was coined by option A, Mary Richmond, option B, Florence Hollis, option C, H. Bartlett, and option D, Charles Cooley. The question is, person in situation was coined by option B, Florence Hollis. This question was asked in the year 2014 of paper 2. Next question, which among the following is not a component of client-caseworker relationship? Option A, acceptance, option B, autonomy, option C, confidentiality, and option D, referral. The question is, which among the following is not a component of caseworker and client relationship? The answer is option D, referral. This question was asked in paper 3 of December 2015. Next question, who wrote The Effectiveness of Social Casework? Option A, Fisher Joel, option B, Peter Drucker, option C, Adam Smith, and option D, Edwin Flippo. The question is, who wrote The Effectiveness of Social Casework? The answer is option A, Fisher Joel. Next question, the process of mutual influence between the social worker and a client is called option A, relationship, option B, understanding, option C, reflexiveness, and option D, rapport. The question is, the process of mutual influence between social worker and client is called option C, reflexiveness. These two questions were asked in the year 2015 of paper 3. Next question, the progressive transition between caseworker and the client is option A, person, option B, problem, option C, place, and option D, process. The question is, the progressive transition between caseworker and client. The answer is option D, process. This question was asked in paper 2 of June 2015. Next question. Giving a chance to the client to decide what is right or wrong for himself or herself is called option A, confidentiality, option B, individualization, option C, self-determination, and option D, acceptance. The question is giving a chance to the client to decide what is right or wrong for himself or herself is called option C, self-determination. This question was asked in paper 3 of June 2015. Next question. Which one of the following approaches of social casework is related to the principle of learning of? Option A, behavior modification approach. Option B, psychosocial approach. Option C, functional approach. And option D, problem solving approach. The question is, which one of the following approaches of social casework is related to the principle of learning of? The answer is option A, behavior modification approach. This question was asked in paper 3 of June 2015. Next question. The right to choose the place of meeting in social casework is preferably vested with option 1, agency, option 2, client, option 3, social worker, and option 4, person accompanying the client. The question is, the right to choose the place of meeting in social casework is preferably vested with option 2, that is client. Next question. The concept active listening was developed by option 1, Carl Rogers, option 2, William Reed, option 3, Sigmund Freud, and option 4, John Bowlby. The question is active listening. The concept active listening was developed by option 1, that is Carl Rogers. These two questions were asked in paper 3 of July 2016. The present problem is mainly seen in terms of past events and experiences in option 1, client diagnosis, option 2, etiological diagnosis, option 3, social diagnosis, and option 4, dynamic diagnosis. The question is, the present problem is mainly seen in terms of past events and experiences. The answer is option 2, that is etiological diagnosis. This question was asked in paper 3 of November 2017. Next question. The process of mutual influence between worker and client is called option 1, relationship, option 2, understanding, option 3, reflexiveness, and option 4, rapport. The question is, the process of mutual influence between worker and client is called option 3, reflexiveness. This question was asked in paper 2 of November 2018. It's all about today's session. We have discussed about some important questions and answers which have been asked in the previous year question papers from 2012 to 2019. And today we have discussed about important questions on social casework. And don't miss my next video. For the next video, I would like to discuss you with UGC-NET previous year questions on social group work. I hope this video will be helpful for you for your preparation. So prepare well for your exam. See you on next video.